Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Kayak Deal. To use the Kayak Deal, you could search for a flight, hotels, or car on a site or app to compare a price from hundreds of providers. You could find deals by using a flexible date search option, setting a price alert to be notified or dropped, and check in for an app-only deals. So once you find an option, you click on the book it directly on the provided site. So what you want to do is open the Kayak app on your device. You could then go ahead and use a search bar for flight, hotel, or car at the top, and you just want to go ahead and after the search, now let's say this is the one, so click on search, right? So after the search, you could use the filter option on the result page. So at the top you have these sort by, right? You could go with best, cheapest, quickest, or least, whatever that you want. Select done, and then here you have the deals available. Now next thing what you could also do is, before you actually book a ticket, you could go to the calendar section. Here it indicates yellow, green, and pink. Now green indicates the cheapest one, the yellow indicates bit average, and then the pink indicates the real price or the real expensive. So you could just go ahead and look for this. This is also one of the way to actually use Kayak Deals. So you could also go ahead and follow the online section. You might be able to find deals such as in festive season, so you could go ahead and use that offer as well. So this is how you could use Kayak Deals. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.